Hey, this is Josh. And if you're figuring out life in your 20s, like the rest of us, tara, let's navigate our 20s together. I think almost everyone in their 20s has experienced this moment. Yung moment na bigla ka nalang mapapahinto, tapos mapapaisip ka ng isang tanong. Ano ba talaga yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Maybe you've asked this after a long day. Pagod ka sa buong araw, tapos biglang papasok sa isip mo lahat ng iniisip mong iwasan. Career, future, direction, life in general. Other times naman, nangyayari siya randomly. Maybe habang nasa commute ka, nasa jeep, habang naglalakad, o habang nagsuscroll ka sa phone mo. Bigla mo na lang mararamdaman yung thought na ganito na lang ba lagi? And when that moment hits, it can feel very heavy. Parang biglang dumami yung tanong sa isip mo. Like, am I on the right path? Ito ba talaga yung gusto ko? May direction ba talaga yung ginagawa ko? You know, the strange thing is, a lot of people experience this moment. Pero hindi lang siya masyadong napag-uusapan. Kasi usually, kapag magkakasama tayo with friends, mas light yung conversations. Kwento, tawanan, memes. But deep inside, maraming tao yung may parehong tanong. Kasi ang totoo, your 20s is the first time in life where things become really open. Dati kasi parang may systems lang tayo na sinusundan, like school, etc. Pero pagkatapos nun, suddenly ikaw na yung magde-decide what career path, what lifestyle, what type of life would you want to build for yourself. And that freedom can feel exciting, but actually, I think more than half of it ay mas overwhelming. Because now, you're the one who's responsible sa direction ng life mo. And sometimes, that responsibility leads to that one big question. What am I doing with my life? But maybe that question is not actually a bad sign. Maybe it is a good one. Because that question usually appears when you start thinking more deeply about your life, about what matters to you, about what kind of future you want to build. It means you're becoming more aware, more intentional, more reflective. The truth is, people who never ask that question are usually just moving through life on autopilot. But when you pause, when you start to question things, that's often the beginning of real growth. It means na nagpe-pay attention ka. It means na nag-iisip ka kung anong klaseng buhay yung talagang gusto mo. Even if the answers are not clear yet. And maybe that's the part we need to remember. That not having the answers right now doesn't mean you're lost. Sometimes it just means you're still in the process of figuring things out. Your life doesn't have to make perfect sense today. It doesn't have to be completely clear. Sometimes all you need to do is keep taking small steps forward, learning along the way, adjusting whenever needed, and slowly, the bigger picture starts to reveal itself. Not all at once, but piece by piece. So if you've had that moment recently, yung moment na napatanong ka sa sarili mo, what am I doing with my life? Maybe that's not a breakdown. Maybe it is actually the start of a deeper kind of awareness. And if you're figuring out life in your 20s, just like the rest of us, tara, Let us navigate our 20s together. Usap ulit tayo next time.